Ibotta team bonuses can stop showing progress when the app has not updated your activity, purchases are not qualifying, or the account information does not match the bonus requirements. By the end, you'll know what to check when an Ibotta team bonus is not tracking, and the steps that can refresh your progress. The first thing to check is the team bonus details inside the Ibotta app. Open the bonus section and review the exact requirements. A team bonus only tracks when the qualifying actions are completed according to the offer rules. If your purchases are missing, check that the receipt or purchase information was submitted correctly. A missing receipt, unclear image, or incomplete submission can prevent activity from appearing toward your bonus. You should also check whether the offers you completed are connected to the team bonus requirements. Completing a regular cashback offer does not always mean it counts toward a specific bonus. If your progress looks incorrect, close the Ibotta app completely and reopen it. This can refresh the information displayed in your account. The next step is updating Ibotta.to. Open your device's app store and install any available update. App updates can fix problems with information not loading correctly. Make sure you are signed into the correct Ibotta account. Using a different email address or account can make your activity appear missing, because the bonus progress is tied to the account that completed the qualifying actions. Internet connection issues can also prevent the app from showing the latest progress. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen Ibotta to check again. If the team bonus still does not track, keep your purchase receipts and screenshots of the offer details. This information can help when contacting Ibotta support. Avoid assuming that every purchase will count automatically. Always check the offer requirements before completing a purchase so you know the action qualifies. If the issue continues, contact Ibotta support through the app and provide details about the missing bonus progress. Include the offer name, account information, and any relevant purchase details requested by support. The main fixes are checking the team bonus requirements, confirming that your qualifying activity was submitted correctly, and refreshing the Ibotta app. Your next step is to open the team bonus page and compare your completed actions with the listed requirements. If this guide helped fix your Ibotta team bonus problem, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.